Welcome to another interesting test that which we are going to be doing today on the distribution board. As you may be aware, there are so many tests that which you need to do on the distribution board before you commission it. And today we're just going to do one test, which is the fault current test, or prospective fault current test on the DP. That's what we're going to do. So the instrument I'm going to use to do this measurement is a Mega, it's called Mega MFT 1730. So this is a multifunctional meter. It's about to do a different kinds of tests. But for today, we're just going to do a prospective fault current test on our distribution board. So before you start any test, make sure that all the breakers are in off position. You switch all of them. You also switch all the breakers on the DP. The only breaker should just be live. It is the main distribution. That's the one which was supposed to be live. So we'll open our DP. Okay, so as you may see here, it's connected. This is our input, then that's our output, the bus bars. So what we need to do first is that we need to remove the earthing that is connecting everything in this distribution box. We need to disconnect it completely from the main earthing of this distribution board before we start any test. Before we do the test, we need to disconnect the main earthing that is supplying this distribution board. So our earthing here is this one here. So we're going to remove it from the main earth bus bar, which is underneath here below. We're going to disconnect it from the main one. So I've removed. This is our earthing, and also you can just confirm on the GB here that we are able to receive the power between line and neutral. We are receiving 234 volts. Then between phase and phase, we're able to get 405 volts. As you may check on my multimeter there. So we have power that is coming. Then after doing that, now we get our probes. Okay, I have the probes here. This is how we connect it. We connect everything like this. This is our ground, line, and neutral. So we're able to do this. We'll put our probes like this. Then we switch on our Mega. So in this case, we want to measure the prospective fault current on this DB. So this one involves the earthing. So if you can check here, there's line and earthing. There's line to line, then line to neutral. So our main interest for today is the prospective fault current, which has to come to line and this, okay, which is earthing. So we're able to show this is 3 low, okay. That's we're using the 3 probes, so it's able to show us that, okay. So we're able to change to 2 high, to 2 low, to 3 low, but we'll use the 3 high. Okay, so I'll get my earthing. My earthing will go to the earthing part. Then my neutral is just underneath here on my bus bar here. Remember, you to be very careful, it's live. Okay. So after doing that, this is a self-test. So we're now going to do the red phase. we'll do now the red phase. Okay, so once we just put our finger, supposed to show us. So it's testing. It's testing. Once it's done, it will give us a figure. So it has given us 4.51 kA. That's kilo amps. Okay. So between the red phase, we've gotten that. If I just come closer, just check. If you can see, it has given us 4.51 kA. Okay, so we are done with this one. Okay, so we can record. So we can record this as 4.51 kA. Okay, then we go to the next one. So what should realize is that this multimeter is self-test. Once you connect on a line, it will show you how much voltage is there on that line. Then immediately it goes into the testing. So if you check, I'm going to now to the white phase. So if I just do that, it has showed me 232 volts. Then it's now testing. So it has given us 4.92. 4.92. 4.92. 4.92 kA. Then we go to the next one, which is the blue phase, which is 238. So it has given us 4.41. 4.41. 4.41. Okay, so this is how you test for prospective fault current using a Mega MFT 1730. Thank you for watching this video.